Welcome to Club UX. In today's video, we are going to discuss who is a UX researcher, and we will also discuss the 6 major responsibilities of a UX researcher. Before we begin, first let's understand what UX research is. UX research is the systematic investigation of user and their requirements. A UX research consists of 2 parts. Number 1, collect the data. First, data is collected through various UX research methods. For example, user interviews, ethnography, surveys, and more. We have already discussed the 10 major UX research methods in one of our other videos. Do check that out. So, first of all, the data is collected, and then in the second part, the data is analyzed and synthesized by the UX researcher, and it is presented in the form of various visualization tools like empathy maps, personas, and more, and mathematical tools like graphs, bars, pie charts, etc. So who is a UX researcher? A UX researcher is a person who performs UX research. A UX researcher systematically performs the UX research to gather the information from the user and analyze it to form data-driven insights. A UX researcher designs, conducts, analyzes, and reports the insights uncovered through UX research. Now let's understand what are the 6 major responsibilities of a UX researcher, starting with identifying the research objectives. So first of all, the UX researcher sits with the stakeholders to identify what are the objectives that they want to achieve from their research. Based on the objectives, the research plan is drafted, and they write screening questionnaires to identify the target users, and a discussion guide is formulated. Then the target users are recruited with whom the UX research is going to be conducted. The UX researcher then carries out UX research by making use of various UX research methods. They might include a mix of quantitative and qualitative research methods. The data that is collected is then analyzed, and the insights are extracted and translated in the form of various visualization tools like personas, user journey maps, or in fact also with the help of mathematical tools like graphs, pie charts. Success of a business depends upon the user experience that they can provide to the users. Creating a good user experience depends on how much the business have understood the needs and requirements of the users that they can understand from conducting user research. An efficient user research would depend on how efficient the user researcher is. So it's like a loop. A successful business depends on creating good user experience. Creating good user experience would depend upon how efficient the research is being carried out, and how efficient the user research is carried out would depend on how efficient the user researcher is. So the responsibility of a UX researcher is one of the most important thing that is required in order to create a successful business. So in a nutshell, good UX research is good business. So guys, I hope that the responsibilities and the importance of a UX researcher is clear to you. Go check out our website yukti.io, and you will find a lot of articles on the topic. And make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more videos on UX research.